Hi, I'm Lisa Silversheen, owner of Our Career Coaching, and I am so glad that you decided to enroll in the Career Advancement Bootcamp. You understand that we're all a work in progress, and you're smart enough to know that it's up to you to take charge of your success. You're probably afraid like everyone else. Are you going to get promoted? Are you going to get that raise? Are you going to be one of the people who are going to lose their job? So you're taking the right step, setting yourself up for success. I have worked with so many clients over my past 10 years as a career coach and over my 25 plus years as a human resources professional. I've helped people overcome the difficult bosses, the teams that won't work together, the lack of respect that they may be receiving. And I can help you overcome your real challenges, the ones that you're facing every day. Over the course of the year, we will address those issues that are causing you to be held back and may cost you your job if you didn't take this move and decide to address them head on. So I look forward to working with you over the next year. So don't waste any time, enroll now, and take advantage of the payment options that exist for a limited period of time. Again, welcome to the Career Advancement Bootcamp, and I look forward to working with you.